Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the panel safe. Shut off the main breaker and confirm 0 volts with a multimeter. Once done, put on insulated gloves and eye protection because you will be handling live-capable conductors. Next, label each conductor, number or letter them, so you know where they go on the new console. Then loosen terminal screws just enough to free the wires. Do not fully remove mounting hardware yet. This prevents accidental drops and keeps orientation correct for reinstallation. You now remove the old console. Open the cover, support the unit, and remove mounting screws so it doesn't fall. Once exposed, loosen each terminal and gently free the labeled wires. Inspect insulation and screws for corrosion because poor contacts cause heat. Make sure the ground is continuous and reattach to the new switch at the designated ground lug. When reconnecting, match labels exactly. Tighten terminals to the manufacturer's torque spec to ensure solid connections and prevent arcing. You finish by securing the console and replacing the cover so there are no exposed conductors. Then restore power at the main breaker and observe carefully. Listen and watch for unusual sounds, smells, or smoke. Next, run functional tests. Measure voltage under load, confirm indicator lights, and exercise each controlled circuit. If something fails, shut power off immediately and recheck the wiring labels, terminal torque, and continuity. Often a loose screw or swapped wire is the single fix you need to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.